Hey, so this is my Lasko D733 whole room fan. So right now it's winter. The fan's running. I don't know why it's running. It's winter, but yeah. Well, it's really just because we got water. We don't want it. We don't want it to not be a good time. So it's decommissioned right now. It's got this tarp over it, but take it off. Here is the fan. So this is kind of a long story. I got it from a friend. Who was replacing his because he doesn't know he's sharing these fans. But I kind of have a soft spot, so I accepted it. However, it was in a workshop. The new fan, there's a other lasko thing, but as you can see, it's got a paint job because the paint on it was like random paint everywhere. And that's so I can see it's all. Don't see on camera, it's all scratched up, dinged up. Let's see. This is a newer model, I believe, with a square motor. See the color scheme, I really like it. The blades, so you take something from the side. The blades are painted gray. It's actually silver. You can't really see it, but yet they are reflective. Lasko. It's sat here for a while, just working. But let's turn on the air control. 2, 1. Here, I don't have a tripod as of now, so this is a new camera I got it for Christmas. It's really awesome. I like it a lot. Yeah. That's 1. 2. Oh, it's 2. Now the bearings on this bearings are in the best condition because again, winter. So it doesn't really run often. And when it does, it's usually running in reverse. Which, that's a whole other story. All that's moving. And see, which I won't leave it on for that long because don't want it to get overloaded. Now, I'll show you this. The wind down is very quick. Can we see on camera? It's kind of this camera's only the fastest, but yeah. I'll just put the tarp back on. But yeah.